When you're ready to install your soft top, it's best to have another person on hand to assist. A toolkit is provided in the center console and includes everything needed for installation and removal. If you haven't done so already, remove the hardtop. Next, install the belt rail on the rear of the vehicle using the number 50 Torx head driver and ratchet and 6 Torx head screws. Now it's time to install the door frames. First, place the front door frame in the rubber seal at the top of the windshield and line up the holes for the Torx head screws. Swing the frame bracket around the side of the rail and insert the screws from underneath. Tighten the screws using the number 40 Torx head driver until they are snug, being careful not to cross-thread or over-tighten the screws. Next, set the rear door frame pin into the hole on top of the body side, just behind the rear door opening, setting the frame onto the belt rail. Carefully position the top of the rear door frame onto the back of the front door frame. Make sure the rubber seals lay flat and are installed correctly to avoid water leaks. Adjust and tighten the frame brackets like you did for the front door frames. Ensure the soft top is secured with the provided hook and loop fasteners, and, with the help of another person, lift it onto the rear of the cab. Line up the locator pins, one on each side of the soft top, with the rear door frames. Use the number 50 Torx head driver and ratchet to tighten the 2 Torx head screws on each side. Secure them until snug, being careful not to cross-thread or over-tighten. Before driving the vehicle with the top in the Sunrider position, double-check that the top is secured with the provided hook and loop fasteners. To remove the soft top, lower it to the Sunrider position and secure it with the hook and loop fasteners. Use the number 50 Torx head driver and ratchet to remove the 2 screws that secure the soft top on each side. Then, with the help of another person, lift the top up and away from the vehicle. To remove the rear door frames, use the number 40 Torx head driver and ratchet to loosen and remove the 2 screws from each side. Uninstall the front door frames next by removing the number 40 Torx head screws with the same tool. Finally, uninstall the belt rail by removing the 6 number 50 Torx head screws that secure it to the back of the cab. If you plan on leaving the top off, store the Torx head screws in the fastener bin below the rear seat. When it's time to reinstall the soft top or hard top, you'll know where to look. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.